Our next topic is cyclotron. In last topic, we discussed about the velocity selector and we get the formula V is equal to E by B. In this velocity selector, we could know about how to select the velocity by adjusting the electric and magnetic field. And the electric and magnetic field would perpendicular to each other. Now, coming to this topic, cyclotron. Cyclotron, it is a machine in which we accelerate the charged particle. And how to do? See, in this cyclotron, we will take a metallic pieces of Ds, right? And at the center, we will inbuild the source of particles. These two Ds, because they are the metal, we can connect it by the alternating potential. Alternating potential, that means in particular time period, the polarity of the Ds will change. We can write the D D1, we can write the D D2. Okay. And it has the radius also. So this is called, its radius called capital R. Right. And these two, these are fulfilled with the magnetic field. So I can draw here the crosses, shows the magnetic field, and what it does mean? It means the magnetic field going inside the board. So here is the south pole and into the board would be the north pole. Okay. What would be the next? First of all, we will operate this. That means this D will be the positive and this D would be the negative. If the charge particle is here, let's suppose the positive charge particle we are using. So the electric field will work from positive to the negative, and the direction of electric force will also be from D1 to D2. So this is called the electric force, direction of electric force. So this charge particle which is here will accelerate towards the D2 inside the Ds. So it tries to move here, but what will happen? We know here is the magnetic field also, and the magnetic field will rotate it. Okay, so this direction rotates and it comes here again. So you can see the half rotation of the charged particle, right? And the time taken by the charged particle would be T by 2, half time period. And in this time period, the frequency of the potential will also be changed. मतलब जितने टाइम पीरियड में चार्ज पार्टिकल घूम के यहां आएगा उतने ही टाइम पीरियड में ये आपका पोलैरिटी चेंज करेगा, और अब यहां पर जब पोलैरिटी चेंज होगी तो ये हो जाएगा नेगेटिव और ये हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव, राइट? अब अगर पोलैरिटी चेंज हो गई है और चार्ज यहां पहुंच गया है, सो देन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स वुड बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन, दैट मींस फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू द नेगेटिव. तो एक इसको फोर्स यहां लगा, एक फोर्स इसको यहां लगा, तो एक फोर्स लगेगा, देन द न्यू फोर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यू फोर्स द एक्सेलरेशन विल चेंज, एंड ये यहां पर इसकी स्पीड भी बढ़ेगी, एक्सेलरेशन भी बढ़ेगा, and again it comes into the magnetic field and its rotation it start, और फिर से ये half time period यहां आ जाएगा. So you can see the radius increases. Earlier it has the radius called R1, now that it has the radius R2. So you can say the radius changes continuously. So I can write here again, this is called the radius R1 and this is called the radius R2, and here the radius R2 is greater than R1. Okay, now it coming is here. जब तक वो यहाँ पहुंचेगा, again the potential will change. Now in this time this becomes the positive and this becomes the negative. Again the direction of electric force changes and it is here right now. So the force will work and it accelerate again and it comes into the magnetic field and start accelerating and it start rotating also, and the direction changes and it comes in a circular manner. Again the radius will increase. Okay. तो यहां पर अब रेडियस अगर बढ़ गई तो यू कैन राइट इट एज द R3, नो नीड टू राइट अगेन एंड अगेन. तो यू कैन सी इट्स रेडियस इंक्रीजेस कंटिन्यूअसली. और इसको करने की जरूरत क्या है? व्हेन द एक्सेलरेशन इंक्रीजेस to desired velocity we can get. When the desired velocity we can get, we can switch off this circuit and desired velocity of the charged particle can come into this direction. Suppose मैं यहाँ पे जैसे charged particle पहुंचा and I get the desired velocity, so I will make it off and the direction of resultant force will be the direction of the motion and I can get the charged particle here. By this method we can bombard this charged particle over the other heavy neutrons, other heavy, we can say the like uranium. Okay, thank you.